Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of April 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Gemini. I've already pulled out the oracle cards to save time and I will be pulling out the tarot on cam. I will be also adding charms as we proceed with the reading. So yeah, before I dive into the reading, let me remind you, it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. Always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So, Geminis, let's begin. Let's find out how the month of April is going to be for everybody out there. Gemini, let's begin. Queen of Wands, Two of Swords, Knight of Swords, the Tower. Wow. Ace of Pentacles, Page of Cups, Eight of Swords, Seven of Swords, the Hermit, the Hangman. Underneath the deck we do have the King of Swords. I do see that, you are... I do see you wishing to move things quick and fast towards where you want it to go. Be that in love, work, home life situation. Even if you are dating a specific someone, you are talking to specific someone, you don't feel like, taking it slow. You want things to rush forward to where you want it to go. Even though I feel like, the situation is not going to be as bad, but as you think too much or too heavily around it, I do see that you're going to start feeling bad around it. You would start feeling like, everything is like, blocking your path. Everything is like, stagnant, stuck. You want things to pace up. You relate one thing to another and then to another. So it's going to be like a loop that you're going to get yourself into. When you think of blocks, you're going to feel like, because of this, that is also not happening. That is also not happening. That is also not happening. In actuality, if you just relax and if you just allow that one area which is stuck to take its due time, and as you have to wait around that one area, maybe you could just continue with the other areas of your life. But I feel like, with because you do have a lot of passion for that one area which is stuck, it's gonna make you feel like, oh my god, something is really out of like, balance in your life. Something is really not happening the way you want. In actuality, it's just one area or one thing in your life. It can be love for some of you, it can be work for some of you, it can be a business for some of you, but that is it. It has nothing to do with the whole life that you have, to live. But since you're gonna get too caught up in that idea of you wanted it to work out in this month and it's not happening, so it's just gonna make you feel like, oh my god, I'm stuck, I'm blocked, I'm this and that. It's just because the way you are thinking around it is not so positive. That's why you're gonna be like, stumbling about in one block after another. Why? Because you are operating from that mindset where everything is a block right now in your life. Why? Because this one specific something is not working well for you. Be that in love, work, home life situation. I do see that, you blocking your own path, whatever it is that applying, to in you in your life. But I see you have the great if you could work on it, everything will start falling into place for you. Nothing will stay stuck for long. But I do see you finding it very hard to break free from that idea or that, thought. You're gonna start feeling bad, worse, and so on. Um, if you are dealing with a person and it applies to your love life situation, um, maybe this person, whoever it is that you're dealing with, maybe you have to move on from this person. Why? Because their attitude towards love is different as compared to yours. Maybe you want things to be speeding up, but when it comes to them, maybe they don't like it. They don't like this hurriedness or things to move, the need to move things quick. They are not somebody who does that. So maybe they need their time and space, and maybe you are a completely different person as compared to them. So maybe in that situation, maybe whatever you're seeking in a relationship, you might not get that in with this specific someone. I feel like for majority of you, you have to break free from this connection to get the kind of person that you want. Your person is not how you want them to be. um They can give you whatever it is that you want, but you have to understand how they operate. Or it's just more like you operate differently, they operate differently. Either you accept them the way they are and try to have patience, but since you also don't want to change yourself now, it's like you don't, you want them to change and they want you to change. So how can you make things work? Either you find a midway out, or you try to become a bit patient, they try to become more into this connection so they could make things forward. I see nothing of that sort happening. I don't see you getting easy on it. I don't see them getting like excited about it either. So that's the reason why things are stuck here. So if you really want things the way you want, maybe you need to move on with another person, or else you have to just wait for this person to give into this connection. Other than that, what can you do to have what you want? You can manifest the changes that you're looking for in your person, and it's not going to be easy. With this attitude, it's not going to be easy, but surely you can manifest things, whatever it is that you want with this person. For that, you really have to calm yourself first. You have to start believing everything is going to work through, and you have to keep telling yourself a different story every single day, every single moment. When you think negative, you have to work towards it. So I do see a lot of this happening for you in the month of April. Let's see the oracle cards now. Let's see what they have to add to the reading for you guys. Divinely protected. I feel like the connection is divinely protected. Maybe even if you try to work out, or even if you try to walk away from this person, maybe something is going to bring you back together. Why? Because maybe you both will end up together. That's coming up for very that's coming up very strongly, but maybe it's not going to be for everyone out there. Happy married life. I feel like it's the same situation. It seems like maybe you're gonna end up together, but at the same time, just know whoever it is that you're wishing for, they are completely different than, they are not like you. So you have to accept them, because if you want things to go smooth and happy and easy, you have to accept that this person is so and you are so, and you have to go with them. You have to they have to go with you. So there will be like ups and downs, fights and everything. I feel like in this connection there is going to be a lot of arguments as well, but yes, there will be some sort of protection which is going to keep you together. Maybe there is like madness, aggression and everything in this connection. There is like need for space also in this connection, but at the same time, the madness, the feelings, the emotions are pretty much strong as well. So it's going to be like push and pull kind of a relationship, hate and love story basically. Release the pain, whatever that bothers you much, try to get easy on it. Like don't let it stress you a lot. Write down your goals, whatever it is that you desire with this person. Maybe writing down or scripting is going to help you a lot to manifest the change in this person. One-sided love, release toxicity. It seems like it's pretty much one-sided, because your person is going to feel like you don't understand them, you're going to feel like they don't understand you. It's not like that. It seems like both are right on in your particular way. So you just have to absorb, like you just have to relax, you just have to go with the flow. Nothing is going wrong in this connection until unless you start getting anxiety around it. Talk to the nature, try to spend some time in the nature. That's going to help you ease the stress that you're having around this connection with your specific someone. Magic, make a wish, believe in miracles, and magic surrounds you. If you want things to pace up, if you want things to work out for you in this connection exactly the way you want, maybe you can use manifestation techniques. That's going to help you a lot. Again, the scripting, like it suggested, may be helpful for you in this particular situation with your person. When you take excellent care of yourself, everybody benefits. Give yourself a relaxing treat today, such as a massage or sea salt bath or pedicure. Try to work on yourself. Try to give or spend more time with yourself, loving yourself more, pampering yourself more. So if you have any argument coming up from you within, or if you have any insecurity because this person is not giving much into this connection or is not taking the connection forward to the next level, maybe it's stemming out of your insecurity. So make sure you know that you are beautiful, you are handsome, you are like the perfect thing existed in this world. So you don't get anxious why this is happening. You would know that this person is all yours. So there is like even though the connection is divinely protected as it suggested in the very beginning, so maybe you just need to relax. You just stop worrying around it and try to work on the things that's going to make you boost your confidence. Wisdom, I feel like you might be in a twin flame journey, and somehow you need to understand where you are doing mistake here. Forgiveness. Try to forgive yourself and your person and the past that you shared, and try to heal the connection with sending love to each other. Speak the language of love. Loving words have the power to change lives, including your own. Maybe using affirmations will also help you with this person and this connection. Try to heal the connection there. Lemon axis innovative thinking. Number 23. Start visualizing and use the law of attraction techniques. That's going to help you a lot. Lemon, if you want, you can have a lot of lemon in this month as well. If you don't have any medical condition that stops you from having lemon. So yeah, let's see what the charms have to add to the reading for you guys. So we do have three alphabets, which, okay, one also wants to come with my finger. So yeah, K, we have four alphabets: K, V, C, and F. So these could be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with. Five of Cups and Five of Wands. You both are too different. You take stress your specific way. You take stress that you take stress that your person disappoints you. They take stress because you give them stress by asking for more and more. There's a lot of love in this connection, but at the same time you both need to understand there are certain things that you need to work towards so you could get the best out of the situation. For some of you, could be living in USA, or maybe the person that you are dealing with is living in the USA. Try to have inner peace when it comes to this connection. That's going to ease things up in this connection between the two of you as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for the month of April. If the reading resonates with you, to like, subscribe, and share. If you are willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. So yeah, till I do the next reading for you guys, take care and bye bye.